Hello friends, welcome to our channel Emerging Technos. So today I'm going to share you an experience about an TCS interview where I have shortlisted for a digital interview. So please do like, share and subscribe for more updates. So during an interview there are 3 members in a panel. So the first question was asked to me that tell me about yourself. In that you can mention your name, where you belongs from, and then your current education, and you had done your 10th and 12th from where then your hobbies, strengths, and some of your projects that you have done in your academics. And then second question was asked to me that do you know about operating system. So if you know about, then you can answer accordingly and be ready that interviewer is going to ask you the further questions related to it. Third question was like do you have idea about data structure and explain whatever you know. Then fourth question was how you define an object. Can you write a code? He asked me to write an code to declare an object. So I wrote it on a blank paper. So for declaring an object, I wrote an one class, and in that class, so in that code, I write a method to declare an object. So he asked me that everyone access this method, and what is the default access modifier. Then he asked me that why you choose to learn an Python language instead of any other languages. So here I mentioned the features and real applications of an Python. Then he asked me, being an electronic student, why you are decided to shift in an IT industry. Then he asked me the question that what extra things you learn by yourself. And for this question, I have told them that I have learned HTML and CSS by my own self. So he asked me what are the tags in an HTML. Then he asked me which is your favorite subject. As my favorite subject is an computer network, so he asked me question related to it. That is, what is an IP address? Then how many layers are in computer network? Which are those? Can you enlist it? Then he asked me how the transport layer send the packets. So those questions are related to my favorite subject. Then he asked me describe about your project. So my project was based on an hardware. So he asked me what is a microcontroller, what is a microprocessor. Then he asked me what is a checksum. Then at last they asked me that are you willing to relocate? Do you have any problem if your boss give you some work sometimes in weekends? So I answered that no, I don't have any problem. And then he asked me that do you have any backlogs? And the last question was, do you have any questions? This is how my interview was conducted, and that's all about my interview experience. That's it for today. Thank you.